Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna tell you how to use the ReviLearn extension. So all you have to do is pin the extension here by clicking here, and once it's pinned, you can go to any page. For example, you can even take, let's say, LeetCode problems. You can go to that page, and upon clicking here, it will give you the title appropriately, and you can add a suggestion like you can add topics. So for example, it's array and hash table. So let's say I add array, right? And then I say the rating. So once I solve this, I add array and I rate it as medium. So this next revision date for me is July 7th, right? And I can edit it, I can archive it. There are a lot of things, and so you can see in this to do, this is the one which I have to do today, right? So the revision date is July 27. Today is much later, but still you can do that, and you can see all your data here, right? So this is there, and I can, for example, I can click on this and it opens up that, and you can see the ratings here, right? So I can rate it as 3, I can rate it as 4, and it changes the icon here as well, right? And if I reload this, it should change automatically the icon. So basically this is it. Like, you can even have settings, you can change the revised states, you can also do a notify. So if you want it to notify every day, you can do that. You can create categories if you want to add categories, and so on and so forth, right? And you can keep on adding all of these things, right? And if, let me just refresh it, and you can see that it will automatically say that, oh, so you can easily know that what is the previous rating you gave, and now once you do a revision on 7th, you're saying that it's easier, you go to 4, and next revision would be much later on, right? So it's depending on the settings which you have put for each color. Yep, that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using ReviLearn. Bye bye.